Santa Claus is funny. You gotta drive the boat from this side. Go ahead and drive the boat. Turn the wheel. So you looking in the porthole to see yourself? Looking at Donovan in the porthole? Okay, turn that wheel. Let's sail the other way. There you go. Good job. Where's your little captain's hat? I gotta find that. Well, in the meantime, I'll find it, and you go ahead and sail the boat. I'll be your first mate and find your hat. Go ahead and sail the boat. Turn it the other direction. Good job, Donovan.
I got my directions.
You got your directions, huh?
Here.
Oh, good.
On the hole.
Good job. Good job.
Santa Claus.
You're going around in circles.
On circle.
Yeah, you want to turn the other way? How about you turn to the left? You want to turn to the
Santa
left?
Claus is driving that.
Oh, Santa Claus is driving it. Okay.
That's a bell.
Good job.
It's a gas. Santa.
All right, good job. Daddy's going to ring the bell.
Turn here.
Turn the wheel. Look at that, and you got your telescope too. All right, good job.
You turn that boat. Okay.
Yeah.
You look yourself.
Look at yourself again
You
in the
look
portal.
daddy.
You look good in that portal.
That's a parallel. Two times.
All right. All right, yeah, Dave's going to put those back up. Yep, turn to the left. Turn to the left. You turn it the right way. There you go.